you rush, you'll see.
The flood waters are going down.
Remember my admonition,
Still a little bit over the road there. Last night coming home,
what if they effectively have and you still have them, but what if they're irrelevant?
I had to ford a spot, and it was out up to my headlights, so I could actually see the wave. My truck pushing the water in front is over the hood. And it just came up quickly. Downtown Blaine, such as it is, was flooded. I've never seen it. It was almost up to the fuel pumps at the store there. I've never seen it up like that before. My little creek was up about half of the worst I've ever seen it. Probably not even half. This out here is just all. You can see this fence line was underwater. You can see it got up on the bottom of their trailer there. It was bad. And this after the ice storms and power outages. Yeah, 2021 stinks. There's storm damage. Down there's flood damage. Ice storm damage, I should say. I hope the pigs is alright. Surely they would have got their pigs out of there.
That are not authorized to vote. How many of them might have gotten ballots?
One good thing about the floods in the bottoms, it does bring a lot of nutrients. Well, this is new. This wasn't here last night. More trees falling. Now I get to go.
Here is a flood bulletin for the following counties: Lawrence, Kentucky, and Wayne, West Virginia. The flood warning continues for the Tug Fork River at Kermit until late Tuesday night. At noon Eastern Standard Time, Monday, the stage was 44.0 feet. Flood stage is 38.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring in moderate flooding forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 46.8 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage rate tomorrow evening. Impact at 46.0 feet. Businesses south of Route 40 Virginia Street on Wayne and Cattle Streets affected.
So that's us. Look at all this. This is where it really gets clogged. It's all got to go through the culvert. That guy's got a lot of cows over there. I'm not sure what he did with them. What do you do? There they are. Right by the barn. Look at that. Looks like a lake. Probably a few bluegill and all that. It almost got up to the road here. As far as I know, there wasn't, nobody died. Thank God. See, all this gets pinned up right here. But even after that, you see like a whirlpool. Even after that, after it goes through that culvert, look at the other side. Up here is where it gets in the road. And a lot of this is normal. Late winter, early spring, we get such things around here. But this one was deeper than a lot of them. Look at that. It's like part of the lake. Up here's where the water was in the road. Still in the road.
Now are you doing more administration than actual law practice? Lexicon can help. Lexicon is a legal service services and technology provided has been helping firms maximize billable hours for over a decade. And until March 1st, get up to $1,500 off onboarding. Visit lexiconservices.com/go to schedule a demo. Contract must be signed by 11:59 p.m. Central on March 1st, 2021. Up to $1,500 off implementation included. Extra charges may apply. Offer valid for Lexicon's emergency or only. Not the other restrictions and other restrictions may apply. Driving is great. But it's hard to be like, well, that's the point of being on a haystack. Sure, you can close your job to some problem.
It's deeper than this last night. The signs. It's still that bad in town. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. Probably should have brought my canoe. Look how deep it was here. It was almost up to the pumps. You can see the water line. I've never seen this flooded like this. Look at this. Man, it might have gotten their house. Look how deep that got. Almost up to their porch. Definitely got their pump. Man, and their buildings. God bless these people. We've been through a lot already. Prayers going out for them.